Come on. Who'd want me for a flatmate?
The name's Sherlock Holmes and the address is 221B Baker Street.
On the house for you and for your date.
Do you want to eat?
Interesting, that soldier fella. Look at the making of my brother. I'll make him worse than ever.
Hello?
John.
Hey, Sherlock, you okay? Turn around and walk back.
Where you
No,
came
I'm coming in.
Just do as I ask.
Please.
Where?
Stop there.
Sherlock.
Okay, look up.
Oh, God.
What?
It's where two people who like each other go out and have fun.
Is this what you
Because it's not often possible for the victim to have done it, Sherlock, that's why.
Is there any possible solution?